Hello guys, this is going to be for Roy's Rafts. This time is going to be the 2011 Silver Panda. Go down here and it's live. And we are live at 128. 129 just passed. Oops. Slip of a tripod. Alright, so we have 25 spots. Mark on top, and David has spot 25. Copy this and paste it over here. 2 dice, no snake dice, and we got a 1 and a 3, and we 1 and a 2, and we will start at 129. Good luck, guys. Alright. First time we have Chris, 25 items. Second time Mark. So far we gotten twice. 3 on the dice. Last and final time. Starts at 129. Good luck, guys. And the winner is McDale, spot number 14. Congratulations. Rolled 3 times. 3 on the dice. Let's go down here and put it done. And we are done at 129. 130 just turned. Alright, thank you everyone for participating. 3 on the dice, and we have 3 times. 25 item on the list. Alright, you know what? Let me do that one more time. Put it done, and the time is 1:30.